Alright, bro. Okay, something to eat. What should I make? Oh, I've got some pasta here. One of my favorite sauce. Let's go, baby. Yes, baby. Oh, look at the sauce, bro. The mushrooms, the corn, the chicken. Bro, the box? I wanna say huge thanks to Maono for sponsoring this video and give us another opportunity for a nice unboxing like that. Maono is working quite a lot with Huru, so they're quite similar companies. They give us the opportunity to use... Why is it so hot? They give us the opportunity to use great products like this, to have a whole kit, everything ready with the arm and the pop filters and everything in a great price. We have used their products and we have made a video about their products before about a gooseneck mic, which was really good, but obviously we had the negatives. Before we had a look on a great USB microphone by Huru, which was without a mute button, without an adjustment knob for the gain. However, that's why it was interesting to have a look on that, because here we get a mute button, so if you have some background noise or something, talking with someone, and you don't want your friends, your chat and your live stream, your video to listen about, or you can play around. And then you have adjustment gain knob, which gives you the opportunity to lower the microphone's volume, and that's good, because if you have it on maximum, you'll not get the best quality. However, we have a negative thing and you will see that soon, so let's go into the unboxing. Here's a beautiful box as we get it, with beautiful colors. I like it, and I mean, early makes it unique, and well, we're gonna see more soon. So as we open the box, we get a double layer. You get the instructions right here to how to set it up, some more specifications which we will have in our description for those who are interested. Every single time I have a problem with these boxes, I hate them. And then something else which is really important, here you can leave some feedback if you like, or if you have some problem, you get a sad face and then you can contact those two. Then we get a beautiful muff, which goes on top of your microphone, and it reduces the puffs and the muffs, and yeah. Obviously we have the beautiful pop filter, which is quite flexible and long, and as we say in every single unboxing with the pop filter, it's really important to have a look here that there's not a line separated still with a screw, and then that breaks apart by the use. Also we get the fancy logo of Maono. Why not? Let's leave it here to be safe. That was the first layer. Now we're moving to the second layer. We have the sock mount, which reduces all the gaps and the hits on your desk, so your microphone will not pick them up. That's why here we have string, and ain't that cool? So basically you push those two and then you insert your mic. We're gonna see soon. Then we have the bottom part of your boomer, which is the clamp that goes on your desk, and then you obviously have this beautiful boom arm or scissor arm, as you want to call it, and then you have your microphone here, and the bottom part which goes in the clamp. Then something really important, you get the beautiful USB right here from A to B for your computer, and yeah, those two beautiful, so you can control your cables and your cable management, and they're not looking ugly with cables hanging around your beautiful area. Last and the best, we have our... Do you know what is that? Can you guess? Oh, it's a microphone. Okay, a little bit of ASMR. Well, I don't know, that was probably not loud, but that looks clean, bro. Like, first of all, I love the look of this mic. I mean, For a microphone, doesn't matter if it has the best quality. If it looks ugly, nobody wants to use it. Especially if you'll be on your live streams, on your videos. So I love this good looking microphone, and on top of that it comes with a mute button. You have this beautiful gain knob that you can increase or decrease the microphone's gain, the volume. So as you can see here, the knob, the arrow, so that's on the maximum. I would highly recommend to have it like on a quarter before the maximum, or even a tiny bit more, and then increase the volume from your software. Also, it's really important for you that you talk in front of the logo of the mic, because this is the front side, and since the polar pattern is a cardioid, it picks the sound only from the front. So yeah, before we said there is a big negative about this microphone, and that's that there is not an extra headset, like an input or an output jack, in order to use extra headphones if you would like to hear your voice back, or in order to use this into a console. It will be the easiest way. However, you might find the cable from A to a jack and then connect it to your console, but I'm just leaving it out there that there's not a microphone jack or a headset jack. So let's have a fast forward how to set it up on a desk. Usually I don't do it, but I'll do it in this video, why not? So roll the clip.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.
Alright guys, so here we are in our beautiful setup. This is from our computer. Now you can hear me from the Huru mic, the one we have with our mixer, and we made the video which will be somewhere here if you want to watch it and you haven't watched it. However, we have here the beautiful Maono microphone that we had a look before, and we're gonna test it right now. So I'm muting this mic right now and you'll be able to hear me from this mic. Alright, so as we said, I highly recommend to have it, the gain knob, only a quarter, and then increase the volume if you want to from the software. Now you'll not be able to see me very well because of the microphone, but this how it sounds like without any filters, without anything. You have a mute button if you wanna, and yeah, I mean the sound quality is really good. If you want to start from somewhere, and then you have a kit right here ready all together, and the sound quality is really good. Of course you can increase the volume as we said. Now it's really loud, I know that, but that's why you shouldn't go that loud and keep it right there. So yeah, so let's thank Maono one more time for giving us the opportunity to have a beautiful unboxing video like that. I love this microphone so much for the design, for the quality, which you already saw. So thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay at home. Stay safe. What else can we say? So don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and share this video with your friends, so we get this family bigger. And of course, subscribe in order this family to get bigger. So I'll see you in the next video, and have a wonderful day and stay safe and healthy.